Hi. Company master in simpliRP ERP is the easiest of all. In simpliRP ERP, customers, suppliers, employees are all entered in one place. simpliRP has inbuilt intelligence to differentiate between customer, suppliers and employees. Go to Relationship, create new customer or supplier or employee. You have to create customer, supplier or employees in create new customer supplier employee. Company ID will automatically appear. Please do not use any special characters. For employees, you can give their tax PAN number in the GSTIN. You can use comma in address field only. There are over 200 cities loaded into the city field. However, you can type a new city also. State is very important. GST is calculated based on the state. Hence, please do not forget to select the correct state. If there are two addresses for same company, then you have to create two master entries. It also means, system will create separate IDs for each company. The name will appear as it is in all documents. Hence type in capital letters. If we try to enter the same company, simpliRP will alert on the existing master data on the right side. There are much more detailed and advanced master data capture feature for company master. Please contact us for more info. Please note, the names and other details shown are only an example and does not represent any actual data. Thank you.